If you're watching this video, you're most likely looking for clean gain at an affordable price. Whether you're using a ribbon or a dynamic microphone such as this, the Shure SM7B, you know they demand more gain, and more gain usually means more noise. So unless you're willing to pay a premium and hundreds of dollars more for an interface that will give you that clean gain, or gain boosters for still over hundreds of dollars, you're either out of luck or your wallet is taking a hit. But this is where the CODA Music comes through with their MB-1 microphone preamp booster for way less. Is it as good as the other more expensive options? Yes. There's not much to say about the MB-1 other than it just works. The MB-1 does one simple job: give you 25 decibels of clean gain so you can avoid, number one, the noise you get when pushing preamps, and two, finally get your dynamic microphone to a good recording level. Again, with no additional noise. How does it work? Well, if you have a dynamic mic like this one, 48 volts don't work. Dynamic mics inherently need more gain to get a strong signal out of them. So by connecting your mic to the MB-1 and connecting your MB-1 to your recorder or interface, the recorder or interface provides the 48 volts to power the MB-1, which in turn raises the gain of the microphone by 25 decibels. So what does all of that mean? In short, when you connect your brand new mic, you will no longer be shocked with the realization that you have to spend more money just to power your mic. So what is it good for? The MB-1 will be cost-effective and deliver good audio for podcast when you have multiple dynamic mics. Broadcast studios, same thing. Keep in mind, you do need a source that will provide the 48 volts to power the MB-1, so don't go thinking that this device on its own will provide power. The build of the MB-1 is solid but not heavy. It has rubber feet on the bottom to not damage the surface underneath, and a small loop handles that will be used to hang from a boom stand or however you want to be creative. For this review, we'll be using the Zoom H6 first with the MB-1 and see what kind of results you can expect when using a portable recorder. After that, we'll then connect it to our Shure SM7B to an audio interface, the ID4, and see what kind of results you can get with a device that offers Class A preamps. Okay, to start, the CODA Music MB-1 has been connected to our portable recorder, and we are at a very comfortable 4 on the dial. I'll be increasing the volume only in post, but we are aiming for peaking at -12 decibels. Usually without, I'm dialed at max or at 8, balancing the two between gain and noise and seeing what I can fix in post. Now I don't have to worry about that. It's also important to note that in my previous videos, I've been using the MB-1, so check those videos out to get another frame of reference. All right, let's move on to our audio interface. All right, now we are using the MB-1 in between our SM7B and our ID4 interface. Usually the interface will be dialed all the way to 10 and I'm getting about -18 decibels as my peaks, relying to increase my levels in post. Now I'm at 1 or 2 o'clock and I'm hitting my target goal of -12 decibel for my peaks with plenty of room to push if I want my recording to be just a little louder. So what have I noticed with my time with the MB-1? Well, as you can hear it just works. My dynamic mic is giving me less noise because of the additional clean gain, boosting an already clean level. I'm also not getting any additional coloration from the MB-1. The only thing that I have set is the high pass filter on the microphone with that, so it's consistent between both tests. In summary, the MB-1 is a steal for what it can do compared to other options. So links down below so you can finally and affordably take the jump without breaking the bank. All right. If you like this video, guys, well then leave a like. Want to see more honest reviews of the gear that you love? Well then subscribe. And until next time, learn, do, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. It works. It works.